Boys, I am so fucking excited. The merch is done. It was supposed to be done early January, but then there was a bunch of backtracks, whatever happened, and I am so goddamn excited you have no idea. On shopwebbies.com, February 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for sale. They even asked me on the phone when they told me that it was ready to pick up. They asked if they can post the hoodies on their website. These bitches are probably fire. I'm about to drive literally 13,000 miles an hour down the road to pick these things up. All right, boys. Y'all see the boxes in the back? We got them. And they look so sick. They're literally perfect. Like, they literally could not be any better. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to the house though. We struggled fitting the boxes in here. We got that box, and then there's one in the back. Here they are. They are so comfortable. I'm not even lying. I spend more money just so it's like actual quality clothes. I really don't care about making profit off merch, to be honest. These are fucking nice. We got this print up front and that print in the back. Just another day in lovely 20-degree weather. You guys remember, if you follow me on Instagram, I absolutely destroyed this cup holder right there. So I did buy a new one. I'm gonna put that in super quick. That literally takes 2 seconds. It's literally just popping this trim off right here. 2 Phillips heads. And then this thing comes out nice and easy. L cup holder in the chat. Just gotta rip this bitch out. All right, let's test out these pieces of shit right here. Nice. Love to see it. It's like, could you imagine? Should I just break it again for the clout? Look at the amount of salt on the back of my car right now. Like, it's literally hard as rock. Feels like powder coat. This is why I have got to leave this state. Okay, so plan for the paddle shifters. I have to remove the negative terminal on the battery. I have to take the airbag out, and I have to pull the wheel off. All right, so I brought the wheel in because it's way too cold outside to like even be living. Here is the paddle shifters right here. I already opened them, so we have these carbon fiber paddle shifters right here. So these are actually F-series paddle shifters. So that's why these don't technically fit, and I was supposed to hear back from Dylan, and he just hasn't gotten back to me yet on how to put them in. But we're just gonna try to figure it out anyways because I have zero patience in life. So we have these adapters, and then we have 2 paddle shifters, but these things look so sick. First things first, I'm just gonna remove this carbon trim and get these paddles off. Okay, so these being F-series paddle shifters, I really don't see how it's even possible to retrofit these. This is what they look like right here. They have this tab out. With my old paddles, they had slots in to fit the adapters, but the adapters that the F-series ones came with, I have zero idea how to even go about mounting it onto here. I have no idea how that would even work ever. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna completely cut this tab off and put 2 slots just like this into the carbon paddle. And y'all might think I'm crazy. Are y'all surprised that I'm doing dumb shit like this? I mean, I'm the king of making shit that shouldn't fit. Like, y'all probably have so much doubt in me right now, but I already did it on this one, and she's fucking mint. So we're good. I done bootlegged her in there, but she's in there. I'm going to replicate what I did with that one on this side. I'll show you all the slots that I make with this. Here's the adapter, like I said before, on the original NRW V2, and then this is the holes that I made. Now, it doesn't look beautiful. This is gonna be butted up against this, so you're literally not even gonna see this. All you're gonna see is the front face. So it's literally just gonna sit on there just like this, just like the V2s. And all I used was this little Dremel bit for literally everything. So if you want to see how I put the V2s in, just click this video. I'll throw it up in whatever corner it's in. So I got the wheel pretty much back together before I put it back in the car. I think it looks pretty sick because I got the carbon on carbon now. I'm really happy with how this came out. Let me know what you guys think though. I think it came out pretty sick. All right, now time for the most important part. Just making sure that they actually work. Yup. She works! What do you know? So tomorrow I actually have an M3 front bumper coming in. Shout out to Dylan again for hooking me up with that. We're back on modifying the E92. I know it's been a fat minute since I've done anything to this car, but we're getting back on our bullshit. I'm gonna start spending way too much money again. And then we got the M3 bumper tomorrow, so I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Wake up every day. Casually just waiting for the FedEx guy to come with the M3 bumper. But while we're up here, I just want to thank you guys so much for 10,000. You know, I started taking this like kind of serious like a year ago, and I still can't get to the point where I want to quite yet because I still got like a job, you know, and I live with my parents and shit. So the goal is to eventually get out to Florida, and then content will be crazy, I promise, out there. But this is what we got to deal with in Maryland. You know, shitty weather all the time, and it's like really unmotivating to go film videos, but I try my best. Also, last night, the merch dropped, as y'all saw, and it dropped at 8 o'clock, and I refreshed my phone, and it was like we were down to only 3 left, and then refreshed again, and we we were sold out. Like literally it sold out. So they went up at 8 and we sold out at 8:11. So that's just absolutely insane. I did not expect that at all. For the people who wanted one and didn't get one, unfortunately I will not be ever restocking this design ever again, because that's how I want to do it. I want to keep it super limited. But so like I keep stressing when I drop the merch is, if you want one, just make sure you hop on the site as soon as I say it's going to drop. Get your size, lock it in, all that. These are definitely one of the most comfortable hoodies. So when they do come in for the boys who bought one, they're so comfortable, I swear to God. So I just want to thank you guys so much for 10,000 and so much for everyone who bought the merch. I mean, I've been at this YouTube shit since I was like 9 years old. Huh? I've had a bunch of different channels in my life. This one I'm never letting down. So if I don't make it, I'm gonna die trying, that's for damn sure. For now, probably just about a video a week, because I don't wanna make shitty videos. That's why I like keeping them fast-paced and entertaining at all times. I don't want long videos. That's why I cut out all the unnecessary bullshit, because a lot of these YouTubers, you know, they keep a lot of bullshit in that no one really cares about. But enough rambling on. We're just gonna wait for the M3 bumper to come in. Man, just look at that view right there. Oh, buddy. I really am a fucking tenderoni, I swear to God. Bring this big bitch downstairs. All right, the new M3 bumper is finally here. Here she is. I don't know what I'm doing. I already took it out. It's right here. Unpainted M3 front bumper. I did get the one with the air ducts. I'll be installing these as well. It also came with these, which I also need to get painted, which goes on the headlight washer thing right here and right here. And then these also came with it, which I think they're the sensors, but I don't have sensors, so I don't really need those. I'm not 100% sure what these actually even are. So I need to figure out where I can get this thing painted and where I can get the paint from, because my car is black sapphire metallic. So I feel like it's gonna be a little bit harder to get that paint, but I'll probably just order it and then give it to whoever winds up painting it. But yeah, this thing looks so sick, and it's gonna make the whole front end look way meaner. So I'm pretty excited about this. And my original front bumper has scratches and shit on it, so it's gonna be so nice to have a brand new one. The intercooler is gonna show so much more through this. When this thing gets painted, that bitch is gonna look sweet on the car for sure. Well, I was gonna try to clean off my car a little bit, because this bitch is so dirty. It's literally terrible. Forgot that freezing is a thing, so my entire hose is frozen so the water don't come out. Yeah, this whole bitch is frozen. There's this little ice patch right here leaving my house. It's fun just sending her. I need to find a spot where there's a lot of ice, somewhere like a parking lot. Pull up to the car wash near me, and literally there's 7 bays to wash your car, and they only have 2 of them. Dude, I fucked up by waiting in line for this guy. This one, 3 people have already gone. This motherfucker is still washing his truck. It's clean, bro. All right, after literally an entire Juice WRLD album, we are finally in the car wash. Look at the walls. It's gonna be a super half-ass wash, but it's better than nothing. We are out. It literally, I took 5 minutes max. We got a Volkswagen and a wrap Mercedes at this light right here. We're definitely getting gapped the shit out of, but oh, here comes this Mercedes. A little 328 with a little spoiler on her. Right there. Literally all these roads are plowed, but it's like on a straightaway. I can't go too sideways though, because there's no room. This like big circle right here, if it was all ice still, that'd be so perfect. They really cleaned it up. It's only a little bit. Someone don't know how to drive. Shout out the boy in the white BMW. He's in the Discord chat. Damn. I wish it was more though. It's bumpy as hell. All right, so we made it back home, and the car is already a little dirty again, even though I gave it a half-ass wash, but it's definitely better than before. But I brought out the M3 bumper just to see what it looks like. This thing is gonna look insane when it's on there. I'm so excited to get it painted. I already talked to a guy who's gonna paint it for me. But even with it just on the floor, it looks so sick. God damn. So as y'all can see, this shit's already scratched. I got a cracked ass lip right here. Fuck that thing. So yeah, I'm so excited to get this thing out. I'm probably gonna wind up blowing that bumper up, but the M3 bumper is gonna look insane. And Dylan's helping me get a M3 rear with a carbon diffuser, so that'll probably probably be next. Boys, I'm so excited to get this on there. And these M3 bumpers are hard to come across too, so. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. This was the first video I've done by myself in a long time. You guys might be wondering where the fellas were this video, because they all live like 30 minutes away and the roads were pretty shitty because of the snow and stuff, but this is what they've been up to. So yeah, I missed out on the snow sends in Travis's driveway. Hopefully myself alone in this video was still entertaining for you guys. I know making videos with all of them is a lot more entertaining, but I tried alright, so still like the video, please. Thank you all again for 10,000, selling out the merch so quick. We're just gonna keep on grinding, road to 100K, maybe by the end of the year, maybe not, it's whatever. This bottle says 10K on it, so. It's in my eye. Are we milk boys yet or what? I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys, that was apple cider. I'm not 21 yet, so I can't legally buy it. But I turned 21 in 4 days, so next video I'm gonna be drunk.
Benjamin on my money, I purple my cup and I fuck around purple the sky. Don't know if I trust, but I'ma just fucking for demons inside. Don't go touch me, nigga, I pull up with shooters.